people who signed up for health care coverage last year because of the Affordable Care Act don't plan to sign up again. That's according to a recent Bankrate survey. But as consumer specialist Rick Romero shows you, the penalty for not having health insurance is going to be more than double what it was last year.
It's that time of year again when Americans need to sign up for health insurance or face a financial penalty. And for 2015, the penalty is quite a bit stiffer than it was this year. In fact, it can be more than 3 times as much.
The increased penalty is really to make sure that consumers know that there is a big financial consequence for not having insurance.
Laura Adams is with InsuranceQuotes.com, a free online resource and marketplace where consumers can get quotes on health insurance. Plus, the website has a penalty calculator. The penalty, by the way, is calculated as a flat rate or a percentage of income, whichever is greater. For example, for an adult, the flat rate penalty goes from $95 to $325, and for a family, from $285 to $975.
When it comes to collecting this penalty, for most Americans, what's going to happen is their tax refund will simply be lower than it would be otherwise. So that penalty is just going to be deducted right out of your refund.
Now, despite the risk of paying a fine, a recent survey shows that 4 out of 10 Americans say they would rather pay the fine than buy insurance. But think about this risk. If, for example, you had a broken leg, it would cost you at least $10,000 out of your pocket.
I think things are really going to change as these penalties begin to creep up in 2015, 2016, and beyond. It really will become much more of a financial burden on consumers not to have coverage.
The only way out of having to get health insurance is if you qualify for a hardship that prevented you from signing up for a health plan, such as homelessness, eviction, foreclosure, domestic violence, or death of a close family member. Open enrollment for Covered California and other health plans begins on November 15th and ends on February 15th. And remember, the penalty is going up even more in 2016 and beyond. This is Rick Romero, ABC 7.